Kelly Dale with Off the Beaded Path, and today is Thursday, March 28th, 2019. So today's video is a little bit different because I want to show you two things. Number one is I want to show you a brand new light from brightechshop.com. Oh, let me get this massive box here. Okay, this brand new light is called the Light View Pro. It is a 2-in-1 light. So I want to unbox this and show you this awesome new light that I got from brightechshop.com. And then I'm also going to show you some new beads and findings that I picked up at the Intergalactic Bead Show here in Charlotte, North Carolina a few weeks ago. I always like to do a bead haul to show you what I purchased and to show you the people that I purchased those from, so then that way maybe it gives you some great ideas of some new things that you could do with some findings and beads, and then we'll give you a great source to get those from. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the new Light View Pro from Brightech. So this is a really great new lamp that they have, and what makes it so neat is, first of all, like my lamp that I showed you back at Christmas, it comes with an extender arm so that you can actually make the lamp into a freestanding lamp, or you can keep it as a desk lamp. The cool thing is it's 9-watt bulbs, it's dimmable, it's adjustable, and it is scratch and heat resistance, and the glass magnifier lens. So let me tell you and show you now the lamp itself. So here's the lamp. One of the things I really like about the lamp is that it comes with this balance bar, I guess is the best way to call it. So what happens with the bar, and you can actually fold this back into the desk or to the thing if you don't want it, but what happens is if you want to really bend this lamp over like this, it allows it not to fall over. Even though the base is super heavy, this is top heavy, so with this balance bar you can pretty much go where you want to without worrying about it flipping over. Another neat thing is they have actually made this part here where you can turn it, so almost like a waffle maker, you can turn it. And if you, it's got this little screw here on the side, and if you move it, your piece can actually go up and down like this as well. One of my favorite things about this new lamp though, once you turn it on, you can fold up the top, and it has an awesome magnifier on it. Okay, so it's a really good magnifier. But one of the neat things is this actually has warm lights and daylights, and you can make the lights go really bright, you can make the light go really dim, and then for your daylight you can make it go really bright, and you can make it go really dim. So it really is nice when you're working in different environments to be able to have that different light there. Okay, so one really neat thing that was in this box that was not in my lamp that I got back in the fall was that you can actually have the chance to get a $20 gift card from Brightech. So here's what you do to get the $20 gift card. If you purchase a Brightech lamp, you follow Brightech on Instagram, and then you post a picture of your lamp on Instagram and you hashtag it, #Brightech. They will actually look at the hashtags and they will email you a $20 gift card to use on future purchases of a Brightech lamp. So that is a really great deal to get 20 bucks off of one of their lamps. So if you need a new lamp, be sure to check out brightechshop.com to get one of these awesome new Pro Light View lamps. Okay, so now for my bead show haul. I've tried to keep everything in its little baggies so that you guys could see. So the first thing here is from On the Rocks. Donna Stevens is the designer, and the cool thing about this, it has a coupon code. So I'll leave that there for you guys to see it for just a moment with that coupon code. So from On the Rocks, I got this tea berry necklace kit, and let me assure you, this picture does this project no justice. She actually had a sample of it, and it was gorgeous. I also got the Twilight earrings kit, and as you can see, everything that you need comes in the kit. I paid $22.50 for this Twilight earring kit, and $35 for this tea berry kit. Now, it came with the printed directions for both the Twilight earrings and the tea berry pattern. So again, that was from On the Rocks with Donna Stevens. Now, let me see what this is. A lot of this stuff I have not actually unboxed since the day I bought it, because I wanted you guys to see it. So, this is from Tea Beads. Okay. And let me flip it over. Oh, so pretty. Alright, so these are called Gollum beads, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I bought a ton of these at Bead and Button last year. This is a pendant size, and you can pretty much see the sizing on that there, but got those. And then I bought just some really pretty shapes of these beautiful ceramic beads. You can see there, these are like really pretty mustard colors. Let's see what all I've got in here. And just some really, really pretty ceramic beads. Now, I got so tickled because somebody asked me the other day what I had done with all the beads that I bought at Bead and Button Show. And so badly, I just wanted to show you my box that they're still in. These are kind of beads that I just love to look at. I don't know if I ever do anything with because they're so pretty. But these are my absolute favorite thing that I bought. The cuteness scale is like, oh, I just don't even know where to go with the cuteness scale on this one. Okay, so these are little turtles, and you can see, oh my lord, they have the cutest little faces on them. And you can see how tiny these little turtles are. I got this color, and I got this fun color here, and you can see the little beads have just multiple colors on them there. But again, the cuteness factor is just off the charts with their little faces. I think these are going to become little earrings. So all of these again came from Tea Beads. Now let me scoot these out of, oh no, my little turtles. Oh, heavens help. Hope I didn't just break one of my little turtles. Okay, so let's see. This is from Fire and Fibers. This was something that I bought for my mom. I originally was going to give this to her for Mother's Day, but my mom is the bomb.com and just hit her lifetime Weight Watchers goal. So I'm going to end up probably giving this to her early. This lady had some beautiful ceramic pieces. My mom loves birds, and she is a master gardener, so I thought this would be really great for her. So I got this for her, and then she had these, oh, so cute, little tiny birdhouses. And they have a hole, or a little loop at the top and the bottom. So I also found these super cute little red birds that I think I'm going to drop down off of the bottom and actually make a pair of earrings out of. I got two of these. Let me see if I can get them back in here without destroying them. Okay, so I got two of those. And what's in here? What did I get here? Ha! And I bought this beautiful mermaid tail. This one is purple, and it has these green accents to it. And this is what the back looks like. And then I actually got this card. I'm going to do some sort of fiber something with the mermaid tail. I'm not exactly sure yet. But this stuff was a really good price. Let me look and see. Sari silk was $5. And you can see it has a lot of the silk on it. So I'm going to do something there with that. I'm not sure yet. But again, that was from Fire and Fibers. And then let me flip it over one more time here so that you can see. Okay. this little baggie here, I got from lisahammerly.com and Spring Street Studios on Etsy. Let me plop it this way so you can see. This was one of the very first places that we stopped, and I absolutely was just in love. One of the really big things at the show was brushed metals. So I ended up getting a bunch of these brushed metal pieces that I'm just going to put, to be honest with you, a majority of these I'm just going to put on ear hooks, and I'm just going to wear them as regular earrings. She also had this beautiful gold brushed chain that, again, I'm just going to connect the ends and make me a beautiful chain necklace, nothing more. So again, all of this brushed metal. Oh, and the brushed metal was a good price too. It wasn't bad at all. The chain is really heavy. The chain, I think, was $11 a foot, which is, you know, a little bit pricey, but it's nice metal and nice heavy chain. These were like, some of them were $1.50 a piece, and some of them were a little bit more. But again, all of this came from Lisa Hammerly. Slide this out of the way. These I'm going to end up doing a crochet bracelet out of. This came from Dragonfly Wings. I don't think he has a website, but these colors are absolutely beautiful. I think it didn't have a color name on it. I figure it's probably like a copper AB, but these are little 3mm rondelles. So I'm going to make me several bead crochet bracelets with these. And I think somebody had asked me, I did a Facebook Live on these, and somebody asked me what crochet, like what cord I'm going to use, and I'm just going to use crochet cord. I've never had a problem with my crochet cord using crystals, so I'm just going to use what I would normally use. Now, last but not least, and I don't think she actually put me a card in here, but this is something new from the Bead Wrangler. All right, so these are her little, I guess I don't know what this is called actually. Oh Lord, she's gonna kill me. But this is sort of like the bead tray that I showed you guys a while back, except for instead of having slits, this actually is, you can see here, it's kind of indented, and it feels like a hard ring here on the inside, so that you can put your different colors of beads or delicas or whatever in here, and just, you know, pick them up from here so that they won't get mixed together as you use them. And it's small and compact, so it'll fit on like a travel bead board. So this is from the Bead Wrangler. And also, this is something brand new that the Bead Wrangler has came out with, and it's kind of hard for me to show you on video, but I'm going to demonstrate it. This is a lap, basically a bead catcher that you put in your lap. It has these two pieces here that you tie around your waist, and then as you bead, if any beads drop, they would fall into here, and you've got your beads saved. So let me go ahead and actually put this on so that you guys can see how this neat new thing works. Okay, so here is how the new bead catcher works. You tie it around your waist when you sit down to bead. Now I'm just sitting in a normal chair here in my office, and I can take my bead board and I can either set it right down on my mat, and I can work off the mat itself, and so that way if any beads fall, they're going to fall right into the crevices of the lap desk or the little lap catcher. Now if you're working at a table or a desk, you can also, you know, just roll right up to the table or desk, wherever you like to do your bead work, and if you drop any beads, then again they fall in their little bead catcher, so you don't lose any beads. So you can find the little bead holder, the bead trays, and the bead catcher at the Bead Wrangler. So you can either Google the Bead Wrangler. She has a website and she has an Etsy shop. What makes her boards a little bit different is she will actually put your name or whatever you want actually on the board. When I went to the bead show a few weeks ago, Ree did not have these lap bead catchers actually on her website yet. So hopefully by the time this video airs, she will. Now I do want to show you one neat thing. Once you take it off, the whole thing folds back up really nicely, and you are able just to fold it and store it flat somewhere, so it's very, very easy to travel. For those of you who like to bead in the car, this would be phenomenal for you guys who can bead in the car. I can't because it makes me motion sick, but for those of you who can, this is awesome. So I'm actually getting ready to travel to the beach in a few weeks, so this will actually go out on the beach with me, so that way I don't lose any beads in the sand, because that has been known to happen. So anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed seeing the newest light from BrightechShop.com. And remember to make sure you want to go to this URL that's right under me here. Go to this URL or click it in the description box below this video. So you will go directly to that page and you'll be able to get 15% off your purchase from BrightechShop.com. And if you purchase one of their lights, remember to share it on social media using that special hashtag that I showed you on the card, so you'll get a $20 gift certificate to use on a future purchase of a light. I use this light myself. I really, really like the light. This newest one I actually gifted to a friend because she lost her lights in a house fire and she doesn't have one, so I gifted her one of these Brightech shop lamps, and I know that she is loving that lamp. Also, if you've seen anything that you like today, be sure to check out those retailers that I showed you their business cards. Show them some love. Let's support these businesses who are trying to make it out in the bead world, because the more bead vendors that can make it, the better quality products and more options that we are going to have as hobbyists and bead enthusiasts. And if you're like me, you're a collector. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again Monday for a brand new Must Know Monday video. Bye bye.